Greetings viewers, welcome to Bali and Sahadewa, otherwise known as Garlic Lane. Let's go for a bit of a walkabout, come along with me. Ambiente Spa and Wellness here. And it's quite a cool place to go for a walk in the morning, Garlic Lane. It gets hot here in the afternoon, but right now the sun is on the other side of the island, Sanur, that's where the sun rises, and it sets at Legian Seminyak. So it's quite a cool spot here in Legian on Garlic Lane, Sahadewa. Let's continue with our walkabout. Sidewalks are a bit narrow in Garlic Lane as we come up to the famous Lasari. I've had one of my subscribers stay at Lasari, and shout out to you, good sir, if you're watching this video. And yeah, I've also had some other friends stay there too. Certainly in a convenient spot is Lasari. Garlic Lane's quite good to come along to at night. There's some really nice restaurants and bars here, and yeah, I watched the rugby league finals here, I think year before last, in Garlic Lane in Bali, and I had a massage here the other day too, so there you go. It's it's not quite 8 AM, so you know, these places of business, a lot of them are not quite open yet, or in the process of opening. The Legian Bar and Restaurant, Legian, there you go. Yeah, the drag queen show. I've never actually been, but there you go, it's on here. If that's your cup of tea, if that floats your boat, all the colours of the rainbow are welcome on coffeechilltv. Now, Billy's 69 Bar and Restaurant. I've had many a fine night there. Many a fine night at Billy's. Good covers bands on there, and fine food and drink. So there you go, Billy's 69 Bar and Restaurant. I'll be one of the more famous bars on Garlic Lane, and one frequented by yours truly on a number of positive occasions. And we've got another blogger there by the looks, walking along and commentating as she goes down Garlic Lane. Good to see. Maybe I'll be on her YouTube channel. And in case you didn't remember, you're on coffeechilltv YouTube. Hope you're enjoying this walkabout video. The sun is definitely rising. Let's continue with our walkabout. So a lot of small side streets in Bali, and some of them are well worth exploring. There can be some hidden gems in terms of restaurants, even hotels, and other services down those small side streets, or gangs as they are known. My first trip to Bali, I got lost walking around in some of the small gangs around Kuta. But yeah, it's nice here. Back on the main street, let's continue our walkabout on Garlic Lane. Owl's Bar over there. And we've got the Garlic Lane restaurant, bar and coffee shop. Husband Daycare Centre, Bali's most famous daycare. Need time to relax? Need time to yourself? Want to go shopping? Leave your husband with us. We look after him for you. You only pay for his drink. There you go. Looks like they've got a cabaret show on there too. There you go. The Garlic Lane restaurant, bar and coffee shop. Next to Owl's Bar. And of course the Circle K. Plenty of Circle Ks in Bali. So there you go, folks, a little walkabout on Garlic Lane, and hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for dropping by Coffee Chill TV on the YouTube. Remember, it's 100% free to subscribe, and likes and shares are also very much appreciated, and we'll see you next time. Enjoy the balance of your day. Cheers.